808 shit. Yo, Alice, where you at?
Bryce, Cole.
Going down these stairs, it's not fun after leg day. Alright, gym session's over. Now, I'm fucking hungry. I done worked out an appetite, y'all. Yeah, so we just finished up the gym. It was leg day and arm day, back day. I just did it all because I haven't been there in weeks. Now I'm about to go scoop my sister and we're about to go get some lunch because your girl, well, dinner actually, bitch, is 5 o'clock. We're gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory because that miso salmon sound good. Yeah, I just did a full body because your girl hasn't gone in a while. I'm excited to eat. I done fucking worked out an appetite. I don't feel deflated anymore. I'm a little winded, but I feel confident, I feel good, I feel ready for the night. Man, it's Saturday. It's Saturday night. Let's see what goes on for the rest of the day. I'll catch y'all at dinner. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you as long as you want.
I said, push it, click, click. The more you kill us, the more we multiply. When he's through, I'm coming after y'all cats.
Oh, what we bumping?
Look at y'all niggas.
One thing it is, man, living a simple life, it brings you peace, brings you clarity. Working out is one thing, man. That shit gives you confidence. Like, there's nothing better than the type of discipline you get from the gym. Like, you learn a lot about yourself. You get to push past your limits. Man, that's why I like going to the gym. I like to see what I'm capable of, what my physical is capable of, what my mental is capable of. Can I push past those weights, man? Progressive overload is something everybody should be doing. If you could put a certain weight, you progressively overload, and you could do 10, up the weight to where you could do 6 or 8 until you could hit that 10 or 12. That's progressive overload. Keep pushing your body. Strength training. If you're trying to gain weight like me, strength training is the way to go. And eat. Don't forget the diet too, man. I'm about to go get dinner, so I'll catch y'all later. I'm about to go get some fish and some rice. Those are the carbs that us skinny girls need. It's nice to also be able to educate yourself. Like, the internet is a good thing if you use it to your advantage. I was able to teach myself about how to gain weight the right way and not eating junk food all the time. Because I'm not gonna lie, when I was in college, all I did was get fast food because that's all the time I had for it. I worked full time, would have an hour to get to class, and in between that, I'm grabbing fast food because that was the quickest thing I could grab. I gotta get something quick, some chicken nuggets or, but that shit's not good for you if you're eating it every day. Don't get me wrong, every now and then I still have a cheat day and eat my McDonald's and Wendy's and shit, but like, I gotta eat better, I gotta do better, and I struggled with eating fucking 3 meals a day. And when I get there, it's not consistent. I don't know what it is, but I need to get better, do better, and the gym will discipline me for a fact. Because after a fucking good workout, bitch, I am hungry. Now let's go eat. Man, it's really the simple things in life. Sit out in nature. Let your kids play. We're really here for a good time, not a long time, but use that in the best way possible, man. I'm out here with the trees. The trees.
Candy, I guess.
I'm gonna get cereal milk.
Crooks try to steal your heart. Never really had luck, couldn't help figure out how to love. How to love.
This is it, money.
Is that daddy's?
Who's is better? All right, no more.
So rude.
Both! I
Or
said
do you like
both.
yours?
Yeah, I like both of them.
How about
You like
yours?
yours?
I like all of them. I like all of them.
Pretty good.
Tastes.
No, thank you.
Real? Salted caramel brownie?
No, 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 I don't want that
You don't
anymore.
like caramel?
No, no,
I think you don't like caramel.
no. Want some?
Probably like
Do
Richardson.
you want some? Yeah? Okay, eat them. I see that big junk. Oh my.
Careful. living like in West